Dear students, good morning to all. Today we can continue with the lesson 2, exercise 2.2. Okay, the last day I have given question number 9 as a homework question. So, we can check the answer. The question is, the age of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? Okay. The question is, ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio. Ratio is 5:7. So, we can take age of Rahul. Age of Rahul is 5x and age of Harun is 7x. Then 4 years later, the ages of Rahul is 5x plus 4 and the age of Harun is 7x plus 4. Okay. Are you understand that? So, here ratio of Rahul and Harun's age, that is 5:7. Therefore, we can take 5x and 7x are the ages. Then 4 years later, their age is 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. According to the question, the sum of their ages will be 56. So, 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal to 56. Are you understand that? You know that 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4. Open the bracket, then add these numbers. So, 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal to 56. Five x plus 7x plus 4 plus 4. It can be written as 5x plus 7x plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 56. 5x plus 7x is equal to 12x. 12x plus 8 is equal to 56. You know that this is your linear equations in one variable. Okay. 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. So, 56 minus 8 is 48. Therefore, x equal to 48 divided by 12. 48 divided by 12 is 4. Here, value of x is 12. We know that the age of Rahul, we can find the present age of Rahul. So, age of Rahul is 5x, that is 5 into 4. 5 into 4 equal to 20. Okay. Age of Rahul 5 into 4, that is equal to 20. Okay. Then age of Harun. Age of Harun is, you know that age of Harun is 7x. So, 7 into 4 is equal to 28. Are you understand that? So, the answer, present age of Rahul is 20 and the present age of Harun is 28. Okay. The next question. Question number 10. Question number 10. Read the question. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? So, here number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio is 7:5. Okay. Please write the question on your copy. Then answer. Question number 10. Number of boys. We will take number of boys. Number of boys is 7x. Okay. Then number of girls be 5x. Okay. Then here number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So we know that number of boys is 7x. That is equal to 8 more than the number of girls. More than means add. So 5x plus 8. 7x is equal to 5x plus 8. Then you know that we can find the value of x. So 7x minus 5x is equal to 8. 7x minus 5x is 2x. That is equal to 8. Therefore, x equal to 8 divided by 2. That is 4. Okay. The value of x is 4. Therefore, number of boys is, you know that number of boys is 7x. That is equal to 7 into 4 equal to 28. Then number of girls, you know that number of girls is 5x. So 5 into 4 equal to 20. Then the question is, what is the total strength of the class? So we can find a total number of students in the class. So total number of students equal to 28 plus 20. 28 plus 20 equal to 48. Total number of students is equal to 48. Are you understand this question? Then question number 11. Okay. Question number 11. Question number 11 is, Baijang's father is 26 years younger than Baijang's grandfather and 29 years older than Baijang. Okay. The sum of the ages of all three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? Are you understand the question? Here, Baijang father, age of Baijang father, we will take x. Okay. Here not given the age of Baijang father. So we can take x is the Baijang's father age. Then Baijang father is 26 years younger than Baijang's grandfather. Therefore, x plus 26 is Baijang's grandfather age. Then Baijang is 29 years older than his father. So we take x minus 29 is the Baijang's age. So write question number 11. Then the answer. First, let Baijang father age. The age of Baijang's father. Equal to x. Okay. Then age of Baijang. Baijang's grandfather. Okay. Grandfather. We will take. Say the answer. 2x plus 26. Okay. X plus 26. Then last, age of Baijang. Age of Baijang is x minus 29. Okay. Then according to the question, the sum of the three ages will be 135. Okay. The sum of the total age. So we can add the ages. First, x plus 26 plus x minus 29 equal to 135. Okay. Then add these numbers. You know that, open the bracket, x plus 26 plus x minus 29 equal to 135. Okay. first add the x. X plus x is 2x. Then 2x plus x is 3x. Okay. Then 26 plus 26 minus 29. You know that the bigger number is minus 29. So minus 29 plus 6 is minus 3. Okay. So here 3x minus 3 equal to 135. Are you understand that? Then find the value of x. This is our linear equation. So we can find the value of variable x. Okay. 3x equal to 135 plus 3. That is 138. So 3x is 138. Then x equal to 138 divided by 3. That is equal to, divide करके देखो, 138 divided by 3 is 46. So age of Baijeng's father is 46. Okay. Age of, last write in here, age of Baijeng father equal to x, that is x, that implies 46. Then next one, age of Baijeng grandfather. Age of Baijeng's grandfather, you know that x plus 26. So x plus 26 is 46 plus 26, that is equal to 72. Okay. Then last one, Baijeng's age is x minus 29. Here x is 46 minus 29 equal to 17. Are you understand this question? Therefore, question number 12 as a homework question. Thank you.